Do I put a $2,000 bathtub for a planter? All right, I'm at the Restore and look what came in. These bathtubs. And then these bathtubs here. So I got them for $60 and $75. You're like, Tara, what are you gonna do with 4 bathtubs? Well, here's what I'm gonna do. First of all, I want to replace my bathtub that I absolutely hate. So if one of these will just drop in, that would be great. Okay, so we got the bathtubs. But I went and looked, and this one is a jacuzzi. And when I looked it up, it was a $2,000 bathtub. Holy mackerel. So I don't know if any of these are gonna fit though. So this one right here actually might fit. Oh my goodness. Now I feel really bad using these for planners. What do I do? But I told Brad I wasn't gonna resell them because I was gonna use them for planners. Do I put a $2,000 bathtub for a planner? Oh my. I am having a major quandary here. Wow. Okay, so I think this one might actually fit in our bathroom. And if so, it is going out today. Oh man. Okay, I'm having heart palpitations now. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. I'm having a bathtub quandary. So maybe Mike can help me. So here's the thing. Although this is really short. What kind of a short person would want this? This would be like my grandma short, like really short. But here's the thing. These are really nice bathtubs. And Brad told me that they were at a ranch. I don't know if it was a dude ranch or just a ranch, but they were at a ranch and they had only been installed for a year. And they decided to go with showers. So here's my quandary. I asked Brad because I felt guilty. See, I'm having bathtub buyer's remorse.
You don't think you need 4 backup bathtubs?
On top of the 2 I already have installed in my house? This is American problems to the, highest degree here, isn't it?
First world problems, yeah. First world of the first world problems.
Okay, so here's my quandary. Brad said, you're going to turn around and resell them, aren't you? I said, no, actually, I'm going to use them for planters. Is what I got them for, was to make planters. But now I feel guilty pouring dirt and sticks and logs in here and filling them up with planters when they're really nice bathtubs, almost brand new. So what do? Do I turn around and resell them and give anything I make over what I bought them for to the Restore? Or do I keep them and use them for planters? What do you think, dear?
I think we should take them back to the Restore and let Brad resell them.
Brad said he would take them back to the Restore.
The thing is, if you only get like $200 for them and he thinks he can get $400, then that might be a negative in his mind.
That's true.
Plus, how much effort do you want to go to when we're not really making anything on them?
Well, yeah, I don't want to do it if I'm going to make nothing on them.
Yeah. If we got anything, it would be donating it, which is fine. But I think...
But man, these would make really nice planters.
I don't know. I tend to think this is one of those projects that once you get the dirt in it and everything, it's going to be...
But how are they going to sell a bathtub that you can't even stretch out in?
That's not our problem. But the thing is, I think you're going to find when you realize, oh, we're going to have to fill with a bunch of stuff because it's so deep. For a planter, it wouldn't work very well that way. I just think that you're going to discover things like that as we go. And it's going to end up being a lot more of a fiasco.
Oh, great. You're sitting here talking me out of it as I go. Okay, guys, so tell me what to do. Brad said he would take them back at the restore. Then he could sell them for more. I feel bad because they're really nice, so I'm not trying to get money out of the restore. He just gave me a price right then and there, really quick, of $60 and $75 because I was standing there, literally taking them as they were coming off the truck. So they didn't have to process them. They didn't have to take up retail space. They didn't have to do anything. So that's why he gave them to me for so cheap. But if they can get more money for it, or if I can get more money for it, I guess I could just turn it. Oh, well, I don't know how they're going to sell a tub like this, though.
Again, I wouldn't worry about that part. But see, the thing is, we got something a few years ago that was only half as deep as this, and you were stuffing it with milk jugs and plastic bags and all sorts of things because you didn't want to waste the money buying all the dirt to put in there.
That's true.
And this is twice as deep as that. So
okay, guys, so tell me what to do. I don't know what to do. I'm in a quandary. Oh my goodness, it is the first day of March. Why is there a bug?
the first day of March in Wyoming, where it's supposed to be winter
so
still.
Show them over here. So normally we have snow. You see my little stove right there on the right?
That stove right there.
My new stove. Normally we have snow piled about a foot higher than that all along the fence there, and no less than 1 to 2 feet back there where the trailer is. We can't even walk back there because there's snow this time every year. This is the first year that we could actually walk back there all winter.
Yeah, we got a cameo here.
All right, so guys, help me figure out what to do with my quandary. I'm not trying to rip off the restore or anything at all, and I truly was not planning on reselling them. But when I got home, they were so nice, I feel bad just dumping dirt in them.
I mean, the thing about putting dirt in them is they could be washed after that, but I just think you're going to go through a massive amount of effort. It's going to be frustrating for you. We're going to have to undo all the effort, which is going to be twice as much effort, and then you're going to want to get rid of them. Then you're going to feel guilty about selling them because you told Brad you wouldn't.
Yeah.
I'm only saying that after being married to you for 31.5 years.
Yeah, and I would feel like I'm lying if I told him I wasn't reselling them because I was using them for planters, but then I changed my mind and decided to resell them. So the moral of that story is just keep your big flap shut, Tara.
I would never say I'm not reselling them, because what are you going to do with them when you don't need them anymore?
That's true. See,
Somehow
this is what I get for opening my big flap.
They're going to have to go away in some way, so if he doesn't think he's getting the price he should get, he should keep them at the store and sell them. And
He should.
You shouldn't get involved in that.
I should.
Unless you want them. We could... I think part of the reason why maybe they returned them is at the ranch. You know how many water heaters it takes to fill up 4 of these tubs?
Oh, I know. It probably takes 2 just to fill
2 for each one, yeah. So it'd be 8 water heaters.
So why I bought all 4 was because they were sitting right there. Dave got me the measurements, but I wasn't positive on the measurements. So I was like, okay, I'm just going to buy them all. Surely one of them will fit to replace my tub. And they don't. They're either too short or too wide. So these ones are too short, but these ones aren't long enough.
Yeah. And they're the wrong shape.
That stinks. Okay, let me know what to do. What do you boys think I should do?
I know not. We're here to petition an inquiry of the truck.
Oh. Okay, I gotta go take care of the inquiry for the truck. Let me know what to do, guys. Bye.
Here, give me your hand. I'll help you out.
If I...
Whoa! The tub is moving.
Oh dear. Okay, that would be bad if I killed myself getting out of the tub. Okay. Bye.